This will be the final drawing.
Okay, so let's begin. The materials that we're going to use today are a paper cup. In this case, I take a paper cup. We're going to use this paper cup to make circles, to draw circles. You can use, for example, something round like this. Okay, the second material that we're going to use, it is watercolors colors, like these ones. We're going to use eraser. We're going to use a pencil, and the last thing that we are going to use, it is a sharpener. Okay, so we have here all of the materials: the paper cup, the eraser, the pencil, and the watercolors colors. So let's begin. So the first thing that we're gonna do, it is where you are going to take your paper cup and your pencil. Then in the middle of the paper, we are going to draw two circles using the paper cup and your pencil. One, my first circle, and my second circle here. So here I have my two circles. Okay, second, we're going to draw two ovals in the first circle. One oval, and this is the second oval. And in your second circle, we are going to draw the same thing. One and two ovals. Okay? Take into account that we are going to draw inside of each oval, we're going to draw a small circle. In the first oval, I'm going to draw here my small circle. In the second oval, I'm going to draw here my second circle. In this drawing, I'm going to draw the two circles in the back side of the oval, like this. Next, we're going to draw with an oval the nose, like this. And in the other one, I'm going to draw the same oval. Okay, then we are going to draw the mouth. The first cartoon is going to be happy. Our first cartoon is going to be happy. And the second one is going to be very, very, very sad. Oh, it is very sad. After that, we are going to draw the body in this way. And here I'm going to draw the body of this second cartoon. Then we are going to draw the legs. I'm going to make two lines and then an oval, two lines and an oval here. And I'm going to make the same thing in the second cartoon. I draw two lines and an oval. I draw two lines and an oval here. So now we're going to draw the ears of our cartoon. Here, the first ear, the second one, the third one, and my last one. Okay? And after that, we're going to draw the arms and the hands. In this way, we're going to draw our arms and our hands. So, okay, we're going to finish all of the general structure of our cartoons. So, the next step, we're going to erase this curved line of our first cartoon. We're going to erase, yes, and then we're going to draw short curved lines in this part of the composition. And this is going to be the design of the hairstyle of this first cartoon. And the second cartoon is not going to have hair. It's not going to have hair. Okay? Or if you want, you can add any hairstyle in this second cartoon. Whatever you want. You can draw any style. Well, we are going to add now the color to our cartoon. We're going to add color to the hair. We're going to add color to the body. We're going to add color to the legs. We're going to add color to the arms and the hands. Okay, that's the only part in where we are going to add color. So let's begin. So I'm going to add green color to the body. Move your color organize and very soft. Very soft and move organize. Then I'm going to use my yellow color and I'm going to add to the legs. I'm going to add yellow to the legs in this way. And the other color that I'm going to use is the red one. And I'm going to use in the arms and in the hands. You can make little circles when you have curved lines. I am drawing with little circles. Then I'm going to draw, I'm going to add color to my second cartoon. You can move the color circularly in the curved lines and move very soft. Very soft. And the last thing that I'm going to draw, it is the hairstyle of my first cartoon. Okay. Make curved lines in the structure, and after that you can add inside the color very soft. Organize the lines, organize the color, and in the curved lines you can move your color circularly in this way. And finally, with the black color, we're going to repeat all of the structure of the two cartoons. So I have to pass over all of the structure with my black color in this way. This is going to give contrast to our drawing. it looks better. It looks better. In all of the structure, here I am, repeat the structure of the hands. Then I'm going to repeat the structure of the head. I repeat the structure of the ears. I repeat the structure of the eyes. The nose, the mouth, and the body. I repeat the structure of the hands. And finally, the legs. And that's all. We finish these two cartoons.